This is Royal Doulton TC1006 Fairfax bone china, classic Royal Doulton moulding with the ribbed wall, pedestal footed, slightly flared. Lovely clear markings on the base. Fairfax TC1060, Doulton and Company Limited, lion and crown orb marks. Beautiful gilt and creamy off-white type of a glaze. This plain rims, open bowl teacups, nice good size, good handles with lovely gilt condition, and the actual porcelain itself is in superb, nearly new condition. Little round saucer, sloping rims, pedestal footed, similar marks to the teacup, and again in very fine condition with the gilt unmarked here. This sort of floral rosettive design picked up in almost palpable gilt, but it's the ribbing that just catches the light, as you can see on the rim of the saucer. And then the side plate almost identical in size. I think there's only a 1/4 of an inch difference between these two pieces. Again, central flat portion, ribbed walling, and plain rims with gilt on the upper house. It's not on the outer rim, as you can see, it's on the upper portion of the rim. Again, matching TC1006 marks. So nice close coupled saucer and side plate with an oversized open bowl Victorian style teacup with a very nice easy to use handle. Very contemporary, very modern really as well, isn't it? I mean, the styling is contemporary, the colour combination and size and condition make it look really quite modern. Not quite sure on the production dates for Fairfax. I suspect it's 1970s, 80s through to the early 90s, the end of production, but we'll do a bit of research, and if we find any specific date guidance for it, then we'll put it in the listing. All the measurements, sizes, everything you need to know about these trios are available on the website listing. We'll put a link in the description below and a product link taking you directly to the listing on the Vintage and Antiques website. Thanks for watching.